You have the past few because they've been playing so very well. You're going to look for pace, you're going to look for puck possession, and you're going to look for the Hurricanes to control this game throughout and try and outcompete the Philadelphia Flyers.
He wants that communication too when he challenges players. He wants you to come into the office and talk it through, and then of course take advantage of your next opportunity. Oh, 2-on-1 for Philadelphia. What a save!
Well, they saved three. Brent Burns saved the third one. They couldn't save the fourth one as the Hurricanes get pulled away there, and the Flyers were able to capitalize 1-0. Here comes the official announcement.
After coach's challenge, it was determined that the play was offside. There is no goal.
There it is.
Well, there he is, the Hall of Famer, Cam Ward.
You could probably say it about 10 times a game from Jacob Slavin, just how good his stick is. And that was another one that probably would have been a sure goal if that pass got through.
Well, look at this, boys. Numbers.
Good look there from Pesh.
No! Marty Party. Oh, ping like JW on the golf course when he's making a putt from long range for Martinook, the red-hot Jordan Martinook.
There it is, a turnover. Turnover at the blue line there, a great heads-up play, and that's especially what happens here. And you get a guy in the slot who's...
And as you guys say that, I saw John Tortorella animately talking to Brad Shaw, who's had a long-standing relationship behind the bench. What a play by Pesce. Uh-oh.
Well, the Flyers strike back quickly with their own tic-tac-toe play of their own through the neutral zone.
Yeah, that was a crafty play from Lawton with speed. Well, the Walls have been critical here, haven't they, Justin, here in both these goals in rapid succession?
Yeah, no, absolutely. Lawton gets behind.
He needs a little bit more of his team to finish this period.
Justin, I remember when you played, you were willing, like Rod, to make a play at the offensive blue line. He talked to Han about getting pucks deep.
There it is.
And Chatfield, you got enough for two more guys heading down to Chet Mandu there, Trip Roy.
Well, I'm trying to make you guys big Bob Seger fans and go to Chet Mandu, and now he's done it for the second time as the trailer.
Orlov right over to Aho. Aho, the delay. Two guys going to the net. Late guy, Chatfield. One-timer underneath the arm. Goal. Goal.
You talk about the hockey smarts again. Jake Gensel driving down the middle, pushing the D back, and the quickness and power of Jalen Chatfield coming up the ice. Beats him in the old 7-hole.
And just what Justin said, you said that's... Let's see if the Hurricanes can get this thing closer to home after that gutsy kill. Tipped. Yeah, he's
Konecny tucks it in the back door. Again, the breakdown up the boards where the Hurricanes don't get it out. We've talked about gray areas all night long, Trip. One Hurricanes player jumps by the defenseman. Kotkaniemi doesn't get it out up the boards as they block it on the tip. And then it's a little give and go between Konecny and Tippett. And Konecny floats behind the net and just finds a loose puck out the backside and jams it in the open net, tying this game up at 2.
That's some pretty heavy lifting. And a play. Did he put that stick between his legs, Frost in front? Yeah. Could Pesce have drawn a penalty, or is that just a battle? It certainly impacts the play. You would think on paper they have an edge. The referee unfortunately goes down. Uh-oh, missed coverage.
A little cross and drop. Anytime you can cross and get everyone mixed up. Now it's Burns and Jarvis on a 2-on-1. The two friends coming in. Burns has it to Jarvis. Scores!
Oh, baby, the elder statesman and his protege team up to win this thing.
It was back and forth action of 3-on-3. And the 2-on-1 by Burns and Jarvis ends at
6th goal in his last 5 games. And to settle this Shane on his natural side. Gensel had a chance on his offside, same spot as a lefty. I mean, to settle that, rolling puck from Burns, and in one motion, lasso it like he's a boomerang specialist at the net. What a finish.
Here's another teaching point for you, Trip. Who's back for the Flyers? Joel Farabee. He's a forward. He doesn't really do anything. He doesn't take away the pass.